Salik Mia. I'm the chair of Bengali Workers Association, Shuma Center. We've been providing this elderly project services for vulnerable people who are lonely and they need a respite Monday to Friday. So thus this service is actually providing a respite for these people. And whilst they are in the Shuma Center, this project provides a number of different activities including yoga, sewing, light exercises, healthy eating, healthy cooking. When they come here, they feel connected, they feel supported, they engage in activities, and they meet new people, they make friends. So this is how our project is helping. And we are really thankful to HS2 for funding this project, and I hope HS2 will continue